Yes, 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 yes. Your nation people. You know the general, the 10-star one, I represent. Yes, 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 yes. Sure is. You hear me I say right about now. Because be a lollipop thing me see I go on, you know. From Popcorn, forward out, and speaking mind against Sharon Burke and Shaggy. I see a big thing I say I forward out and bad mind at the fullest level right about now. Because here I go on. I see matterhorn and MC Nuffy. I see say when I eat from Popcorn, that a living eat when I soon come out of though. But hear me nation people. Watch this and listen to me carefully. Just listen how I sound the big thing them. And tell me about the loud explosion when necessary equipment drops in. Alright. When matterhorn go forward out and say massacre have more dancehall hit than Popcorn. Me no know if somebody lick him in him head I'm a loss in memory, or I don't know if I too much matterhorn him and smoke. Yo, brother, no disrespect to no disrespect to Massacre. You see what I say? Massacre a good artist. No disrespect to Massacre. But this is just the living truth, my brother. Massacre no it like what blood clot Popcorn have locally, internationally, diaspora, Caribbean wise, nowhere at all in a music existent. You see what I say? Me hear him evil, I run all him mud and a chat about. No disrespect to Busy, no. But him not big like Popcorn either. So me don't know what the bumbo clot you talk about. If Busy signal me I tell you about, say him not big like Popcorn. Or the bumbo ass clot Massacre if have more hit than Popcorn, my brother. Eh? Remember, you know, Massacre never get the full look in, you know, in a dance hall, you know. Until the world boss said the dogs them have to live, you know. And I saw the crooks them a eat properly right now, you know. So me don't know what the fuck you not talk about, you know. A Popcorn you not talk about, my brother. Remember, you know, Popcorn run the ground, you know, in a Jamaica, you know, consecutively, you know, hits after hits, year after year. You see me, all know Massacre not do that, you know. I make sure I tell you that, you know. All know Massacre never run the ground where you can say clearly him dominate the ground. As we him and somebody, my brother. Massacre never do that by himself yet, my brother. I no disrespect to him. That's real facts we deal with and real truth we talk around here. So I don't know what kind of bumbuckler argument matterhorn a forward out with just because you don't know where go on. Because Popcorn forward out and speak in mind against Sharon Burke and Shaggy. So it look like you don't like it, my brother, so now pick side. You see what I say and I chat all type of fuckery. All of that way you talk about, my brother, a living fuckery you talk about, my brother. We are talking about no make no sense whatsoever. You know what I mean? There ain't no way in a music existent locally, internationally, Caribbean wise, in your house, in your kitchen, there ain't no way you can find Massacre with the amount of hits them with Popcorn have, my brother. No gimmicks thing that about it. And for that I come from a man like Matterhorn, it sounds very dumb. You see what I say? And probably we are give them too much ratings because them are selector and we are say them should have known music and them things there. Me don't know if I know him no know, or I just live in bad mind. I take him over. Take him over. You see what I say? Because a straight facts that, my brother. You don't need nobody to prove that. Me hear all down to him own friend, Footer Hype, and make him know. You see what I say? Say I live in fool in his short talk. You see that dirty heart you have Matterhorn, a bad mind, or what? You see me? You know say all you chat up your mouth, you know say Massacre not see that in a no level of what you are talking about. Massacre not see that, you know, my brother. Okay? Because him not live that, you know. That's something where him not live, you know. So what you talk about, you know? Me no know, you know. I live in bad mind thing, you bad mind popcorn, you know. You see me? A bad mind, you bad mind popcorn, my brother. And the world know that. No joke shit not there about it. Me say dancehall fans. Hear me I say. Me say Massacre never run the ground in a Jamaica by himself. Yet never. Popcaan tired for do that, my brother. Consecutively. Dominate the ground with the most hits. Massacre never ever do that yet in his career, my brother. When Massacre get the best hits them in a dancehall, or as we him and somebody else, my brother. You know what I mean? So no gimmick thing not dead about it. I never him alone. Him not dominate the place like Popcaan. Locally, internationally. No level at all in a music where you want to talk about. So that's what you talk about. Matterhorn. Use that word on a big hater. And a regular people catch your lie for take on cloud for yourself. See how you don't want to push out footer hype and talk about you are fucking gully side selector. And the people them have to run your way and make you know, cut your monarchy out and stop with the show up on the blood clot business. A footer hype them, blood clot run gully side music and alliance music. Stop your bumbo clot lying thing. Mad, you tell too much blood clot lie. You know what I mean? Yeah. For a big man. What kind of hype you want out of that? Where you look out of that? Eh? Where you look out of that? Eh? Yo, before even Massacre come in a blood clot music, you see me? And the music them of Popcaan dominate the blood clot place with. From 010, 011, all of them blood clot shit there. The hits them not for even the blood clot hits them when Massacre have right blood clot now from them time there. Moon even talk about no to blood clot. Cause if I touch no, Popcaan lost him. And this is not disrespect to Massacre. This is just a living bumbuckler truth to go on. So I want to tell Tony Matterhorn, stop your bumbuckler fuckery. You see what I say? You are nothing but a hater, my brother. You come like, you know how you act like some girl where some man left and go take up our friend. I saw your blood clot act. You see what I say? Now give me sing that in my game. And you know, Mc Nuffy. Me don't know if I because Sting forward back in action. You start see a menopause. So your bumbuckler get hot. You see me? You get hot. Like when bumbuckler pot a boil up. You see what I say? And I run up and down and I run your mouth all bumbuckler. But let me tell you something, Nuffy. You're a living clown, my brother. You see what I say? Straight clown. I don't know what the bumbuckler you chat about. What the fuck you chat about, Nuffy? You are tell Popcaan, say, he must go apologize to Shaggy. Who the fuck you think you is, Nuffy? Eh? Who the fuck you think you is? Eh? Let me tell you something. It's a real man. A real man is about respect and integrity. You hear that? So it's a real man. I go set up Popcaan and blood clot Shaggy can. None of we don't know what them have. Because Popcaan never speak. And no Shaggy no blood clot come out come speak. What happened? Me don't know how you take up that for your blood clot head. And I run with it. Let me tell you this. Real man I go say yo. The two are two growing man. You work out that. And even if you can't see eye to eye, you know what I mean? You say on a part and then if you can't agree on a blood clot stay apart, my brother. No give me thing that about it. You see what I say? But for you know nothing. You can tell a blood clot man what to do. Eh? Or you can tell a next man off a vent. Eh? You can tell a next man off a vent. I don't want to ask you. You can tell a next man off a vent about any situation where I reach him. Yo, go and go bumbuckler to one side. You hear that? I don't know who the bumbo clot you think you is. You can't tell a real man where for bumbo clot though. Oh, I'm to your boy. Eh? You claim saying no? Oh, popcorn for this blood clot shaggy. Man, this all the Prime Minister and the blood clot president. So want to shaggy. Eh? Shaggy is a man just like blood clot popcorn. And that can't bumbo clot change. You see what I say? Unless a boy wants to be a man and a woman in a blood clot one. And that impossible. You see what I say? Younger can try, you can't blood clot big. So no man no better, no man or no bigger, no blood clot man. A man is just a man. In the end of the bumbo clot there. And the most thing a man have, I go and feel my bumbo clot respect and integrity where him have. Now come tell man about no luxurious shit where him have now, no at all. Because that are not bumbo clot, man. You see me, that is just an article. And that are not bumbo clot lifespan thing. You see what I say? Because life are the greatest thing to any living person. So nothing go suck out your blood clot self. You hear that, boy? Me I tell you that straight. You tell bumbo clot popcorn. Say he must go bumbo clot. Apologize to Shaggy. But I ask you this. I ask you bumbo clot this, you know. Do you apologize to blood clot not nice? Or you apologize to Richie Feelings? Because I hear you cuss Richie Feelings just because you cuss Richie Feelings are not nice. Just because the man them say. Them don't think bumbo clot Queen in her Omari should be the headliner a Sting. And you cuss out the man them, dog rotten. You cuss the man about a double, a 44D bra, him wear Richie Feelings. That is a man that you talk to, you know. And I said the man wear 44 bra, you know. Just because the man say him not think, you know. Blood clot Omari, you know. And bumbo clot Queen is supposed to be the headline in a Sting, you know. You get up and a cuss not nice, you know. Say a next girl, you know. Take away him girl and baby mother from him, you know. The internet not supposed to blood clot know that the man personal life you talk about in a batty boy. Me not hide and talk, you know, nothing. A lollipop thing you go on with, you disrespect the man them, you know. You go apologize to that. Mr. Satches and Crutches. Me must ask you, you go apologize to bumbo clot that? Eh? You can't come and tell the man where for bumbo clot though. Uno ain't nothing but some bumbo clot popcorn haters and no can't stop unruly. Move on the dirty, nasty blood clot. When them lock up Vibes Cartel, Batty boy, Nuffy, you never come speak your mind. Now talk with your blood clot promoter friend them. Now your friend them bumbo clot though. But Vibes Cartel did a complain about. Say I told him not do bumbo clot sting. And then a bumbo clot something to do with it. You never come open up your blood clot mouth and chat about that. I know you not chat about that. But you want to run up and down about Vibes Cartel like your daddy and Vibes Cartel like this. And when you done it there from blood clot social media, I shed tears like a girl. A ball and I go like say, you feel it the most or you're the most pitifulest blood clot Vice Cartel supporter. Nothing go suck out your blood clot self. You hear that? No gimmicks thing not dead about it. You're not dealing your shishki bag to me. Satches and crutches. No lollipop thing, no opportunities. Or anywhere the blood clot grass there grow green. Bumbo clot, you not go like no bumbo clot body. You know no body. Eh? Anywhere, at the general, the 10-star one, I represent nation paper. A Sting look more. What? Hey, a Gaza way now. They ain't no other way. 10-star, general. What? Nuffy, suck out yourself again. Watch.